Yo, did you call me?
Yes, I'm guessing you are Pablo.
Yeah, let's get this over with. Now why did you call me?
Because I heard of a sudden abuse.
Did Caitlin tell you?
I'm not mentioning any names.
Man, I knew she was going to tell I'm going to hit her when I see her in hard.
Pablo, I know you have some issues, but there is no need to take it out on Caitlin.
Man, old woman, I will take it out on anyone I want to. Bitch, you do not know my life. I do what I want, when I want, because I'm a Mexican thuggin' for life.
Well, certainly no cursing is not allowed in this office.
Like I said, I will do what I want, when I want, old woman, so beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how mighty strong is our fight, so beat it, beat it, beat it.
Get the fuck out of my office now.
Oh, you just broke your rule.